They know my story.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well today. So I'm back with a new video. I'm just gonna get right into it, but first ignore the background. I don't know why, it's just very windy, and even if everywhere is like closed, like everywhere is like locked, sorry, you can literally still hear the wind, so probably reflecting on this video, and sorry about that. So yes, I'm going to be doing the size small knotless braids with the curly ends. Usually it's called the curly braids, but really it's just braids with curly ends. And when it's small, at that point it's no longer curly braids, but it's just like knotless braids with curly ends. And I did use the flexi rod. I do have all the hair information in my description box: the flexi rod, the edge control, the rattle comb, and so forth. I just don't have the hair. I used the Ruwa braiding hair, the 18 inches. Yeah, 18 inches in color 1, and the Ruwa braiding hair 18 inches to get its exact length. So we're going to be doing size small edge. So right now, as you can see, I'm done creating my parts, but basically this braid is just you braid, and then when you get to a certain point of you braiding down, you're going to just take a little piece of hair, just tie the knot, apply your product. You can apply your hair mousse, your hairspray, just anything that's going to make the curls pop. Basically anything that's going to make the curls pop, you're going to apply it and then comb it some more, brush it through, and then use your flexi rod. So yes, and now I'm just gonna braid. You know, I'm gonna braid twice. Sometimes I'm gonna braid once. Clearly I'm braiding once for this one, but the most important thing of this video is that I'm trying to show you guys details, basically step by step on how to insert your braids. I realized that in my older videos I am not like, the video, it's not as clear, it's not as like up close. So now I'm trying to, you know, make my video more up close, and so you can see exactly how I'm inserting my braids and how I am just basically doing the whole style as a whole, because sometimes it's really just hard to like record and braid at the same time. So I always have to like pause, look at my camera, make sure everything's all good before I keep braiding. I hope I'm able to like show you guys everything in much detail compared to like my older videos and stuff like that. But yeah, nothing much in this video, just braids with curly ends. I also have all the hair details in my description box. If you want to see how I make my curls like really pop, you can just skip all the way to the end of the video to just watch what I did, you know, in dipping the hot water. I didn't really show the dipping the hot water parts. I just showed how I like basically right now I'm just tying the knot in maybe like 3 times or twice, and then brush some more, and then just use my flexi rod. But I have to apply some products before and after, and let the flexi rod sit in your client's hair for some time, maybe like 5 minutes, just so the curls are just tighter basically. And when you also dip your client's the flexi rod in the hot water, leave it in for a good amount of time, and the water is not as hot because you have to get through every part of like the flexi rod. Basically you can just put the thing back and make it boil, because you want your client's curls to really pop, because it's going to make their curls last, you know, longer than just basically generally long basically. But yeah, that'll be all. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them and watch it. They are pretty bad man. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sippin' on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feelin' on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding at the thing so. Any man them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them and watch it. They are pretty bad man. Bad man, what you say?